Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be going to show you how you can repair your charging port at home.
Click on the subscribe button and turn on notification.
Charging ports are damaged by different sizes of cable that you use to charge the device. When you use unspecified charger, it can also damage your charging port. So in this video, we'll be going to show you what you can do if yours stop working or if yours starts shaking. You get a plier. A plier can help you tighten the female charging port, and by doing so, your charger will stick very well on the female charging port. A maintenance tip that you have to know that you have to dust it. After dusting it, make sure you cover up everything exactly the way you open it. After doing so, I hope you have given yourself a good option to repairing your charging port at home. Guys, I hope you like this video. Please consider subscribing to the channel, share with your friends, and do not forget to place your comments. What thing do you learn from this video? And would you like to try it at home? See you on our next video.